Owen Ayres makes models of the buildings they design. One model is 1/15 the size of the actual building. The difference between the length of the actual building and the model is 71 feet. How long is the actual building? So we've got a actual is what we're looking for. Let's use the letter A for actual. Now it says the difference between the actual. Well, the model is 1/15 of the actual. So the actual building minus 1/15 of the actual building is 71 feet. Remember that when you see a fraction, you multiply by the denominator to get rid of the fraction. So we have 15 actual minus 1 actual is 71 times 15. 15 actual minus 1 actual is 14 actual. So divide both sides by 14, and that'll be what the actual is. So let's take our calculator. 71 times 15 over 14, and we get the actual building is 76.07 long, and it says to the nearest whole number. So that'll take care of that. Next one. These are always easy because they aren't really real life scenarios. Nobody really asks you what two numbers are. It says the sum of a number. We want to know what is the number. So number equals, I'm going to use the letter N for number. Number plus, that comes from right here, sum, 34 equals 87. Subtract 34 from both sides, and you get 53. Next one. It's like we got a spat of easy questions in a row here. The difference between twice a number and 21 is 13. What is the number? So number equals blank. Difference means subtract. So 2 number minus 21 equals 13. Add 21 to both sides. 2n equals 34. Divide both sides by 2. N is 17. What is the number again? So n equals blank. 12 times... What happened there? Oh. 1 second while I get my keyboard or my computer in the right direction again. There we go. 12 times a number is, here we've got a than, so 2 times the number plus 20. The more is plus, and remember that the than tells us to switch the order. Subtract 2n from each side, and we get 10n equals 20. Divide both sides by 10, and we get n is 2. Next one, what is the number? So we have n equals something. When 1/3 of a number is added to 6, we've got a 2 there, so it'll be 6 plus 1/3 of a number. The result is 9. Remember that when you have a fraction, the first thing you do is multiply by the denominator, and you get 18 plus n equals 27. Subtract 18 from each side, and we get n equals 9. 35% of a number is subtracted from 397. The result is 8 less than the number. What is the number? So n equals Here's our from. From tells us to switch the order. I'm going to change colors. From tells us to switch the order. So 397 minus, because it says subtracted, 35% of the number, 0.35n. The result is, here's a than number minus 8. Add 0.35n to each side. And we get 397 equals 1.35n minus 8. Add 8 to each side. And we get 405 equals 1.35n. Divide both sides by 1.35. 405 over 1.35 equals 300 is the number. Next one. Oops, I guess that's it. So this is 2.3.A, solving scenarios with linear equations.